Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for getting these beautiful turbans, you guys can contact to my outlet. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful Amamah Sharif that you guys can wear on Friday or maybe on your wedding, because it's like a little groom look. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Amamah Sharif.
الذي يلقى عطاء أبويه بالبر جناح الذنب يخفض وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأن كذا الذي يلقى عطاء أبويه بالبر
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, because I'm just waiting for your comments. And don't forget to share this video. Allah Hafiz till my next video.